Welcome to week 1 of Writing 122. I hope by now you've had a chance to look at some of the introductory material that I put up for you. It looks like there's a lot, doesn't there? But especially if you've seen my video up here, and if you looked at the getting started, read the syllabus, and looked at the due dates, you will be in pretty good shape. Also, hopefully you have found a copy of the book. Hope you like the circle. Most of my students seem to. If you don't, let me know. Maybe we can do something about it. You don't have to read the entire book, just part 1, but most people won't to read the rest of it. All right, now we're on week 1. Remember here, the last day for a full refund is Sunday, next Sunday. So if you want to withdraw from any of your classes without a W and to get a full refund, you've got a week to figure it out. Now, in this week, we're going to get to know each other, start reading the book, and start to get a sense of what this course is all about. I've written a little bit about the circle here. I've given you a trailer for the movie. You certainly don't need to watch it, and you don't need to watch the movie. This is not a film course, so don't worry about it. It's just I know it's out there. I wasn't particularly happy with it, so it doesn't have my recommendation, but it is there. Might want to think about it. Anyway, this week, 2 activities. Everything in this course will be due on either Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday. No other days of the week. Wednesday, Friday, Sunday for the deadlines. I think that makes it easier for all of us. This week, you have in the forum class introduction forums on Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday, I expect you to introduce yourself to the class. Not long, maybe almost a page, half a page, something like that. What do you want us to know about you? What do we need to know about you? What's interesting about you? Probably lots of things. And then on Friday, respond to 2 of your classmates. Ponder who's in the class. Then you have a writing assignment, which is personal narrative. This will be the only thing this whole term that will not be argumentative. So I just want you to describe yourself. What do I need to know about you? About your writing, about what you feel about writing. And that's due on Sunday. Then here, I've got a diagnostic grammar quiz. Please don't worry about it. It's not graded. It's not counted. I'll look at it, but I don't. I care about giving you something if you're at all worried about your grammar skills. This might be a good chance to look and see. There are only 5 questions, for heaven's sakes. And I give you the answers at the end. But it might be useful just to look to see, because this is the last writing course a lot of you will ever have to take. So I take grammar skills very, very seriously here. I want to make sure you can write basic sentences, basic paragraphs, that you can organize papers by the end of this term. So anyway, have any questions, let me know.